Hi guys! Today I will show you how to draw a super cute watermelon popsicle. We are going to need only paper, marker and something to color with. I have colored pencils here. Firstly, we are going to draw a curved line for the bottom of the popsicle. And from here we will draw a triangle with rounded corners. From the left side, let's draw the same line to give our popsicle a little bit dimension. And now we can draw a stick. Again, parallel line from the left side. And now we can draw his cute face. Round eyes with highlights inside. I think I want to add eyelashes. And the cute smile. We will also draw watermelon seeds. And let's add two short lines under his eyes. Okay, the line work is done. Now we can color our watermelon popsicle. Just a reminder to first block the space for the cheeks and the highlights. As always, I will fast forward the process of coloring. See you shortly at the end of the video. We finished coloring and our cutie is done here. Now, when you know how to draw a popsicle, you can get creative and add more details. For example, you could add some chocolate and sprinkles on top, or even turn him into a rainbow popsicle. I hope you got your inspiration to draw more cute things, and if so, see you in my next videos. Bye bye!